My goal here is to keep this video in under 3 minutes, so bear with me. What's up everyone, I'm back here with a brand new video, and on today's video I have for you a brand new unboxing of a pair of sneakers that I have yet to own. UPS just freshly delivered them to me. I'm just gonna let you guys know I'm not gonna spend too much time talking about it. I'm just gonna slice this box open. Oh, I'm struggling here with this box. These came out about a month, maybe 5 weeks ago in their signature colorway. I believe there were 5 of them. I'm not even gonna go down the list of all the colorways, but they just released this brand new set of colors that are coming out right now in the spring, and I believe there's another couple of them coming out in the summer. But here, this is the one I ended up picking up. Shoe's very light. I mean, sorry about the dog next door. This is the Nike Epic React Flyknit. They retail for $150. These shoes came out Thursday, April 12th. I don't know if they're still available on Nike. I'm sure there's a few sizes left, but like all the Epic React so far, they've all sold out online. The shoe's very light. I mean, I didn't think it was gonna be, I have yet to see these in person. Every time I go to a Finish Line or a Champs or a Foot Locker, I can't get them. And actually, they look kind of like if they were worn. This shit came straight from Nike, so I don't see why there's like dirt marks all over them already. No big deal. But yeah, man, they're super, super light. They bend. I mean, they say this is the perfect running shoe. I mean, as you can see, I don't know if you can see down below, but I have the 4% Vaporfly and I have the regular Zoom Flies. Those are 2 excellent running shoes. I'm not going to actually say that they're better than Ultra Boost. I mean, to me, there's still nothing that beats Boost. So I can't really say yet that those 2 down there are better than Boost, but they are good. They're good options if you want to rock Nike. You know, they're good shoes to go running or jogging or even for lifestyle. Now this is a different animal. I mean, I'm dying to see what role this piece here plays in terms of support. But yeah, the Flyknit is just on point, super soft. It's almost the same equivalent to Prime Knit from just touching it. You know, doesn't feel too good. That smell is fantastic. I don't know, let me see if it gets in focus. I do like the 3M piece right here. I do like that section that says Nike, Epic React. You see, actually no, it's just my eyes messing with me. But yeah, I mean, this two-tone here is just fire. It's just, that's what got my attention. The other Epic React that I really liked was the blue, the navy blue. But what I didn't like was that icy piece right here, because I know that that's gonna get destroyed. And I've seen people on Instagram and on social media that they show you their bottoms and it just looks destroyed. I feel that maybe this gum bottom will last a little longer and it's a little more durable. But yeah, I mean, this is the pickup. Like I said, I wasn't gonna go crazy talking about it. This is the shoe. I'm gonna give you guys some B-roll footage. I'm gonna show you guys some on-feet footage as well. And that's it. That's all I have for you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like the channel. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you're up to date with all the future videos that are coming up. I do have a bunch of them coming out, so you don't want to miss out. With that said, thanks guys. Catch you on the next one. Peace.